Sevilla 1, Arsenal 2. We are now sat top of the group in the Champions League, which is probably one of the easiest groups you'll ever see in the Champions League. But we are only top because PSV managed to do what we couldn't do at Lonza Way and actually get a point. But hard-fought victory tonight. 2 bits of genius from Gabby Jesus. Martinelli with the first goal right in the last minute of stoppage time. Great finish from Jesus second half. Tomiyasu. Bro, no Zinchenko, no pasa nada. No problem. Yeah? No pasa nada. No problem. We're cool. Yeah? It weren't great. But we got the victory, and now that's all that matters, right?
That's all that matters. Lee, I'm going to cut this real short and make life real easy for everybody today. Martin Odegaard needs to be ashamed of himself. This is supposed to be the Arsenal captain. We're going away in the Champions League game. I've been asking around. Nobody say they saw him today. They say he got on the plane and from the plane to the hotel to the stadium today. Nobody's seen him. I didn't see him. I didn't know he was at the game today. They say he was at the game. Because I couldn't tell by that performance tonight. This is 2 games run. This is 2. There's a larger picture to this league, but this is 2 games in a row. He's put in a crap house, and I had to catch myself performing.
Maybe Spanish customs at Seville Airport didn't let him in.
I mean, Lee, enough is enough, man. If we're gonna, if the Raya out brigade is gonna come after Raya, then there needs to be an Odegaard out right now, because ever since he signed that deal, he's gone completely down. That was shocking today, Lee.
Yeah.
That was absolutely shocking. You know, I thought about something while I was waiting to do my fan cam today, and I'm going to say something radical. I mean, radical. This is really, this is going to be radical. I want to see your face when I say
brace yourselves, people.
Brace yourselves. Brace yourselves.
Take a breath. 3, 2, 1, shoot.
Take Zinchenko off left back. Put him in Odegaard's position.
Oh, well, that's where he used to play, funny enough. That's not radical.
In Odegaard's position.
That's not radical, bro. Before Pep signed him, he was at number 10.
Put him there. Put him right there. Because he will get more done moving the ball around than Odegaard. Odegaard was going side, he was going back, he was going sideways, he was flailing over the place, he was walking around. It was embarrassing. I watched him the same way I watched Havertz. I had my eye on him today. Odegaard looks horrific. I don't know what that is down to, but his play has been horrific these last few weeks. Horrific. Whenever we play, and let's preface this: Sevilla is a good team.
Yeah.
But anytime
the league position for you people.
Yeah, Lee. This is what people don't realize. And I said this during the watch along. Go look at Sevilla's bench, and most of those players were at one time, they were either on a world-class team or they were at a high level. What am I saying? Matt, what are you saying? Odegaard has problems playing above his pay grade. He has major problems against players that are better than him. Even if they're old and washed.
As soon as he's pressed.
Yeah.
Bro, he's up against 35-year-old Ivan Rakitic.
Rakitic, man. We talking old Rakitic, man.
Bro, this is not Rakitic from Barca days.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Ivan Rakitic. Ivan, whatever, however you want to pronounce it, yeah? Rakitic.
Yeah.
35-year-old man sent my man to the shop. Yeah. Sent him back to Gibraltar Rock. Yeah. How?
Yeah.
Embarrassing, bro. Have you ever seen an Arsenal captain, Matt? You're the same age as me, there or thereabouts, yeah? In your 40-odd years of life, have you ever seen an Arsenal captain get hooked and subbed so many times? And when I said that on the watch along with you and Ola, big up, bless up to both of you, yeah? Right? Make sure you sub Southern Guna, link in title, right? But somebody in my chat went, oh, you can sub the captain. Cool. Well, did these guys get subbed?
Exactly.
Did Vieira get subbed?
Did Arteta get subbed?
Adams get subbed? Did Arteta get subbed when he was captain? Did Cesc get subbed? Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Enough is enough, man. I mean, I've had it with him. I've had it because, see, the problem of us not holding the ball, and I said this during the watch along, the problem of us not holding the ball up top, distributing the ball in a timely manner, moving the ball into the proper channels. The pass you saw from Jesus is the pass that I expect every week from Odegaard.
Yep. That's
the pass that you're paid for. That's the pass. When people say, well, what are y'all looking for? That is what I'm looking for. Thread the needle through pass, boom. You're supposed to be connected with the man. You're supposed to have vision. You're supposed to see what's going to happen for everybody else. You have the whole field in front of you. You're supposed to be able to pick out a pass. We was joking about Ozil on the ratings last week. Ozil could get the ball. He would put it right. He was just lazy running around, but he would, if you could spot the pass out, the pass is over there. Cesc Fabregas moving and grooving. Rosicky moving and grooving. Vieira moving and grooving. Patrick, by the way. Bergkamp moving and grooving. Nazari. You know, Arteta moving and grooving. Distributing the ball. I mean, this is ridiculous that we're seeing this from this young man after he signs a mega deal. And I'm going to stay on him this year because I expect more from my captain. The Arsenal captain is supposed to lead.
And we expect more. Yeah, sorry to cut you. We expect more after seeing a level that he can get to from last season.
Yeah, 15 goals last season, Lee.
15 goals, 7 assists, 22 Premier League GA, bruv. Yeah, 15 goals. Yeah, how many goals he got this season in the league? 3.
3.
Oh, but he's playing with Rice. But there's no. But what? Yeah, James Maddison was playing with bums at Leicester and still their best player when they were good and when they were bad. He's now gone to Tottenham and runs the whole thing, bruv.
Yep.
40 M's. In fact, he weren't even 40 M's. They gave Harry Winks for 10 mil. He cost 30 M's.
Yeah. And then that brings me to this. We have splashed out $65 million on a player that we have to bring off the bench. Well, Matt, Havertz really didn't have an impact on this game. Well, I know that. But what I want to say is this, is that we're not able to utilize Declan Rice at the highest of his level because he's putting in the shift doing 2 jobs. People, go back and watch the game. Watch the last few games. We have got to get this midfield sorted out. I know people are concerned with this goalkeeper. I'm concerned with this midfield because that's what's causing us to get put under pressure. We can't hold the ball. We cannot hold the ball, and we're finding ourselves having to play out of the back. There's nobody to pass it to. We got midgets up top that can't bring the ball down, can't hold the ball. We back, recycle, start over again. Let's do it again. Let's go. Let's do it again. Raya makes a mistake. Then it's play out of the back again, up top, back. It's just like that. We go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. There's no
go for it, bro.
Yeah. I mean, it's ridiculously. It's ridiculous. And this is what's gotten lost the last couple of weeks. Because I sat there today and I saw a couple people in the chat say, well, Matt's calm down. Well, I was sitting, I wanted to assess what is the problem with this ball coming out of the back. Where's the disconnect? And the disconnect is in midfield. The disconnect is in midfield. We don't have a distributor of the ball that comes to the ball, receives the ball, makes the pass, move, go to space, make another pass, boom, 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 boom.
You've just described Thomas Partey.
Bingo.
Yeah, Thomas Partey.
I mean,
where is this guy?
Yeah. What's going on?
He played against America for Ghana. He's on the bench at the weekend. Now, apparently, he's now got a mysterious injury. He's not in the squad. Kenny just said in his fan cam he ain't buying it. Neither am I.
Neither am I.
Coach went to Ghana International.
I watched him leave. I watched him on TV. I watched him. It's about an 8-12 hour flight from they were in Tennessee and they flew up there to London. So where is he at? I told you it wasn't like he was coming from Africa. He was coming from the United States. So what's the problem? This is what's causing the disconnect with the problem here. The midfield is disjointed. Compound that with us struggling for goals. Yeah, Jesus scored today, but look at Saka today. Let's talk about him because he's going to get lost in the shuffle today. Look at that performance for him today. The boy is knackered. Why is he playing? This is a continuation of the last 4 games from him.
Where's Reece?
Where's Reece Nelson? You begged him to stay.
Where's Fabio Vieira?
He was brought on in the preseason. Yeah, he was brought on in preseason, hyped up to the heavens. And where is he at? Why are you spending money on players that you can't use?
Bro, if you deep it, yeah, right? Fabio Vieira came on against Fulham, yeah, wins the penalty, sets up Eddie's goal to go 2-1 up. Yes, we drew. The next game he comes off the bench, sets up Gabby Jesus for the 3-1. Where's he been? Why hasn't he played since? Yeah, I think he's played 1 game since. Yeah, he came off the bench in the next game. I can't remember who that was. Maybe Lons. Yeah.
Lons. Yeah.
Yeah. We ain't seen Vieira since. Why? Yeah. Havertz, bench. That's 100 M's on the bench.
On the bench, at least. Remember what I told you during the chat? I said, and like I said, I'm going to keep bringing this up from here on. So if you watch this, just go ahead and get used to it. You're going to hear me say it all the time. We have had 6 goalkeepers in 4 years. 6.
And guess what? We've signed 1 striker.
Yeah. This
he ain't even a striker, bro. Let's be real.
And this is why I'm breaking this down, is because the squad is disjointed. It's like the things we need is a mess. It's really a mess, and it reflects in our play. It's reflected in our play this year. Because if you think about the chaos, this chaos that we're talking about, it translates right to the pitch.
Yeah, facts. Absolute facts. Listen, we're going to get into player ratings real quick here. Big up for coming on. Appreciate it. Big up for coming on and watching along. Make sure you sub to the Southern Gooner. We're going to be seeing a lot more of Matty. Yeah, real one, as always. And we're out of here. Player ratings coming real quick. Yeah, Kenny's player ratings are going to be different to ours. Well, I don't do them. Yeah, but Kenny's on a different page, bruv. Yeah, we need to bring him back down. Yeah, or maybe he needs to bring us up. Maybe we're negative. I don't know.
Yeah.
Listen, big up for coming on, bruv. Always love. We're out of here. Laters.